This morning we've been to Fosterville to pick up some gravel in our new tours truck. So we've got a ton of gravel to offload this morning. That's the board that Don made to stop the gravel going down to the back of the ramp. So just a bit went over when they loaded it, which is perfect. So the job of the morning is to offload this.
The workers here.
I think we're going to have a cup of tea first, so I'll just quickly show you where it's going.
Can you draw with the cans off? So, Sally, do you want me to count them?
Oh yeah, very funny. So the gravel is going to be wheelbarrowed into here. So this is the back area of the stables. And so all this is going to be a nice gravelled path area to match what's already been done through here. And then once it's all down, we'll get the whacker plate from Jewson's again on hire, and then whacker plate all the gravel down both here and in there. And that will be another amazing job done. So I can hear him offloading it already, although we did say we we're going to have a quick cup of tea to warm up because it is freezing this morning. The water in the water bottles is ice. So we've got nice ice water this morning. So I have to wait for that to defrost a little bit before I put it in the kettle. Right, I'll see you in a bit.
There's a lot of sand with this.
Because he was scraping the sand up out the bucket, wasn't he?
Yeah.
That's why.
Oh, right, yeah.
Before.
Easy enough.
Can't hear you over the clanging.
The first one's very easy. It's the last bugger that we're looking for. Emma, do we get discount for the crap sand?
You haven't stopped in now, or?
I'll stop now.
Yeah.
Cup of tea. That seems alright. Sally's going to do some work now. Some graft.
Enough?
That's it. Three more maybe do it, huh? Can you pull that sheet up, lovely? A bit. Can you get it right out?
I'll take it.
Does it look alright, Charlie? She's happy. The boss is happy. Get another load, Sal.
That's the gravel done. So it just needs a sprinkling over the top with some finer gravel and then whacker plating down. And then that's this area all gravelled. Another job done. And one empty lorry. Look at that. Well, I say empty. Just a sprinkle of gravel in the back. And that's it.
Remember the front.
Sorry?
Remember the front.
Well, you know which one the front is because it's got the thing on the back. Right, time for a cup of tea.